What's up, this is Shifted Motor Company.
One more time.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fight you with that. I explained this earlier, we're going to explain a little bit more now. Now that we have this shorter seat in, which we never had in before, and I do like the way it looks. If you back out, you can see, I really like the body line. It has a nice swoop up. I don't know, I like it. Anyway, so what we're realizing, which was my big fear, is that I'm going to have to cut out this tube. The tubes will be welded in here to be able to slide seats in here because these originally were press frames. They didn't have any tubes running back. So this tube's at a slight angle down. I put these tubes in really early in the build when I was excited just to get them in. And they seemed level, but one's on a slight angle down. And you can see it a little bit. Maybe not on camera, but this side's down just like 1/4 of an inch, probably less than that than this side. But when you put on a longer seat like this, and for 2 people, you start to really see that it'll be on an angle like this. So I'm gonna have to straighten this one out and it's gonna suck. I might record that, I don't know. It depends what day I do it. Anyway, but now that I have the seat in, I can explain the whole double seat idea. And this is what we've been trying to figure out. Our original plan was to slide seats in and out here, but it's just too much pressure. Even with these will be welded together so there's not pressure, but even so, it's not gonna slide nice. So I think what we're gonna do is, this will be cut in half right here. So this rear hoop will detach. They'll have rods welded inside, so it'll slide into this pipe. 2 pins will go through, and then you have your regular seat. And then when you want to take 2 people on, you will unpin it, pull this back half off, and the back half of this, right around here, will pin on the back, and that'll be too much force on just this frame here. So what will go along with this is there will be a pipe like this. It'll have a pin in it, but I don't have a pin for it right now, so I'm going to show you with this. This will be cut and angled in, and so when you slide on your 2-seater, you have something like this on, this will be welded to this, and this will give you your rear support for the seat, so it's sharing the weight with this, and it'll angle in, and it'll be a nice angle, and you won't, again, have this, you won't see this ugly piece of metal there. And then when you want to take the 2-seater off, you just unpin. I'm going to figure out how to do it, but somehow you will pull back off and this support will be gone, and you put your old hoop back on. You have a nice short seater to go to take it to a show or whatever. You don't have to have the ugly 2-seater. And 2-seater's not terribly ugly, but the design of the bike looks better without having that big tail on it. So battery will be stored right here. Both seats will have your tail lights, and there'll be a quick connect. You'll connect your other taillight and seat, and you'll be on your way. And also we have rear set pegs coming, so you can go on your feet the whole way up there when riding. And yeah, so that's it. That's the idea as of now. I'm still thinking of other ways to do it. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below, and we will definitely consider it, because I've been racking my brain with how to make 2 seats work for a while. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes and go from there.
You hit me with the spark. Yeah.
Jesse, what'd you do?
I don't know. I opened the hood and it was like this.
How long do you think it was like that?
Yeah, I basically cooled that. Cooled and...
Yeah, it was probably brittle. It just... You know, I'm sure there's maybe some like electrical tape or painter's
You
tape.
need 22 millimeters.
Yeah.
You know you
No,
could.
I'm just
driving
sliding
that lower.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
I just slide the sleeve.
I think I
off.
gave you up right here. Oh yeah, I mean, that's no gave you up.
I probably actually will do something janky
Here.
because
This is how pros do it.
Oh, Jesse, screw that. Dude needs a cup or go straight to the filter.
wait.
Yeah, we can cut a hole in the
Yeah,
hood.
straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah. That'd be cool.
Or we can
So
run-
clearly this was a surprise, but what were you actually doing with the Jeep?
I was gonna do an oil change,
to run the hardware store and get you some light.
but it's cool. I'll do something with this. And I adjusted my 4-wheel drive linkage. So,
Yeah, for snow and stuff.
yeah, it's gonna snow on Sunday.
Close enough. I got this, you'll see early in this video, I was cutting, getting this straight. I got this flat, or as flat as it's gonna be. So now I cut off the back. I'm gonna put 2 rods in here. So this will be a slip back on. Of course, when I cut this, as I expected, it pushed apart a bit. So I'm gonna have to get it pulled in so where it nicely slides in and out. And then I'm gonna have to weld that so it's like that, pulled in. And then after I have this sliding in and out nice, I will make this piece, which I cut, match. So this will also slide in and out nicely. And then after these slide in and out nicely, then gonna try and explain this one time, but you're probably gonna see it in person. I mean, or as it happens. But so this one will have a pin welded in here. This will have these welded inside, hot. Okay, so this will slide in and out. But when it comes to this one's gonna have supports going down to here and a rod in and out of here. The support will go down to there. So if it has rods sticking out here and rods going in there, you won't be able to stick it in both at the same time because it wouldn't work. You have 2 inches sticking out the front. Worse explaining stuff. So what's gonna happen is there's gonna be this pin is not gonna be welded in here. It's gonna be stuck in here and there's gonna be a channel and this pin will have a screw sticking out of it. So the pin will slide, you'll put it down here, pin will slide forward and then lock in place and then a pin will go through here. So then when you need to take it out, you can pull a pin, unlock it, pull it out and lift straight up. So I don't know if that made sense, but you'll see it happen later. I'm excited to give it a try. Jesse's excited to give it a try. We're all here excited to give it a try.
We're all excited to give it a try. Super tech.
You're so hot. I'm gonna use my sweatshirt as a glove now.
This is a professional technique.
Gloves are so cheap.
How goes the repair?
I'll let you know in a couple minutes.
Hey, geez, we'll check back later. Sorry, you guys had to see that.
Sorry. Here's where it's gonna get tricky.
Tricky Ricky.
You see how they're on a slight angle out?
Yep.
I don't know how it's gonna fit. If I was smart, I would have welded a plate across right here while they were still together.
Yeah.
So when I
While
when-
they was.
yeah, yeah. So when I pulled it apart, it wasn't a problem.
How do you feel now?
A little bit like I may have screwed up, but you know what they say: all things that
When in
are
Rome.
wrong become right in time. can't explain it. A lot of people don't know this about Jesse, but he used to work with wood in his free time.
You ready to break it yet?
Yeah, whenever you want.
You guys put it down on something solid when you did this. Oh, yes.
Titus will be so happy about this.
I think he's actually going to get a good laugh out of it when he sees the half of it burned.
Yeah, you will.
Look at that. That's nice.
Now with me. I'm bringing it in here because even it out.
Don't tempt me with a good time.
Let's see how smooth it is. Maybe. Pretty straight. So close. Right?
You say ready, but you're the only one doing anything. Just like the. Oh yeah, that's funny.
With me? Oh, it came back.
Did it?
Yeah. You're so close to perfection.
Yeah.
I don't want to damage that too much.
I think the curvature is all right, but I think this just needs to dump back just a little bit.
Tell me more about that dump bag. It's in there.
I want Titus to walk in right now. Oh, that'd be sick.
Oh, it's deep.
The metal.
You need pliers.
The metal's still in your skin.
I'm gonna walk over there in a weird way.
Do you want me to look at it? Oh, that's.
Here,
Ow, that probably hurts real bad.
I can't get it out.
Blake.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that was real. That's like a solid hole.
Too bad you don't have like
Never
welding
thought I'd be in
pants.
my underwear on camera, to be honest. But I didn't put it past myself. Yes, that was a night here at the shop working on the bikes. And so make sure you leave a like, comment, tell us what you're thinking about, and
Yeah, check us out on the gram, Moto Vintage, and on Reddit. What is it?
Shift to Motor Co.
Yeah.
And make sure you send them a message with your builds or whatever you guys are working on.
Yeah.
And we like to see that kind of thing.
Yeah. Every Sunday, I
What-
post someone.
Tell them what it is.
It's a wrap.
Yes.
It's a wrap!
Thank you. Oh yeah.